Hey guys, this is the Tapo C510W unboxing. This is an outdoor pen and tilt security camera with color night vision, 360 visual coverage, smart motion tracking, and smart AI, okay? It's a 2K resolution camera from TP-Link. And let's just take a look here, see more details. Local microSD card storage up to 512 gigabytes. You need to buy the card, it doesn't come with the card, okay? It's IP65, which means it's weatherproof. Works with Google Home, Alexa, and you can connect to your phone, Android or iPhone, for example. Let's check what I have here inside. There we go. Just open the box like this, pull it out, and there we go. Here, a quick guide so you can install the camera, some paperwork here, and also this template so you can install the camera. Power supply, so you can just connect to the camera and power it up. It's a Wi-Fi camera, but you need power supply, of course. A mount, so you can install the camera on a pole or wall. There we go. And here, the camera itself. Pretty good. Let's just take a look here. You see, PT camera, so it's going to move up and down, left and right, horizontal and vertical movement. Here's the brand, Tapo. Here a lens, infrared lights, and spotlight. Also here a microphone and a speaker back here. So you have two-way audio, and here connection to the power supply, okay? So pretty good one. It's a small camera, pretty nice. And let me just take a look here, more details about this camera. There we go, outdoor pen and tilt security Wi-Fi camera. It's the C510W, 360 horizontal movement, 2K or a 3 megapixel camera, two-way audio with microphone and speaker, 859 nanometers IR LED, right? That means that you can see the LED in the dark, the red dot there in the dark, okay? With full color, with spotlights as well. So you either use infrared light or the spotlights. So you see with color or black and white if you're using IR. Protocols, standard international protocols with 2.4 gigahertz. Here's the adapter, 100 to 240, 50 or 60 hertz, depending on the country. And adapter output, DC power, IP65, which is weatherproof. Okay, so I'm gonna test this camera later. This is just a quick unbox. It's a Tapo camera. I trust Tapo brand because I have a lot of Tapo cameras here. You can see that I have a lot of them. I have here the C200, the C216, C100, and I have more Tapo cameras back there, okay? So quick unbox. I trust this brand, Tapo camera. You can get yours on Amazon, and I hope you like it. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.